Hi guys, it's Sweet1967. Today we're going to try out some Flash bathroom spray, and it's like usual marks on the shower screen and the bottom. So it's just a spray, but it's got fabreeze in it, so that's alright. See, some of these taps have all been just gonna give it a clean up. But one thing I like about Flash is it smells good, and its reputation over the years has been quite good. I think I remember Jif, the scouring powder stuff. Grandma used to have it, but this stuff, what it does is it foams up and gets rid of all the bath lines. I can't remember what they call it, scum marks or whatever. Yeah, I mean that's come out clean. It makes a really good job of the chrome, and that's going across nicely. Because it's got Febreze in it now, you know, your bathroom doesn't smell as clinical as it used to. Right, okay. So what I'm going to do is buff that up a bit. I do tiles as well, which is really good. Yeah. This has had a week of use, so you know the score. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give it all a wipe down. I'll show you the results. Okay guys, there's the results. Screen's looking good. It took a lot of the marks off. The bathtub's nice and clean. The taps are nice and fresh. I say it's an old shower, this old fitting, but it does its job. Gets rid of the marks off the chrome, the glass, and of course the water lines off the bath. Again, good job. That's it. So that's a quick look at the bathroom Flash cleaner with Fabreeze, making your bathroom clean and smelling fresh. Thanks guys for watching. See you next one.